Ali and I'm a third year at Aberystwyth University.
I'm Matthew, I'm a third year doing sports science.
Hi, I'm Sarah Nock, I'm second year at Aberystwyth University and I study medieval history.
My name's Susan Trott, I'm in my second year and I'm studying physical geography.
Work out how much you have a week, taking all your rent and bill money out, and then putting your bank card somewhere else on the first day, like a Monday. So if you run out halfway through the week, you can't take any more out.
My tip is to get an NUS Card. They're about £12 and they're quite beneficial with some of the discounts you can get.
To save money, I usually draw people pictures of their favourite anime characters or things like that for Christmas and birthday presents. Not only does it usually work out cheaper, people tend to appreciate it more. So like friendship bracelets, I mean I make cupcakes and birthday cakes for my friends as well. Just people tend to really like them, especially if they can eat them as well.
Get hold of a travel card, like a rail card or a bus card, because it's something like a third off and it makes it a lot cheaper to get home.
Hi, I'm Ben, I'm a third year law student.
Hi, I'm Dave, I'm a third year geography student.
I'm Hannah Barnes, I'm in my second year and I'm studying English and creative writing.
My name's David Glover, I'm in the second year of sport and exercise science.
My top budgeting tip is to learn to cook. If you buy in bulk, you can cook with your friends and you will avoid buying expensive ready meals.
Always walk instead of using public transport, it keeps you fit and it'll save you money.
Make a list of all the things you need before you go shopping and go to the cheapest places.
I got a part-time job at home to help us with some of my finances at uni, so that helped a lot. Definitely have a right balance of work and play.